AI agents feel smart, but not always useful. There's a new idea that could change everything.
Let's start with a pretty simple question. Who do you actually want doing your taxes? Would you pick the genius who has to learn everything or the pro who already knows the rules? And that right there is the problem with most agents. They're brilliant, but lack real-world expert knowledge. Building a giant one-off agent for every single task? Yeah, that just doesn't scale. So Anthropic's solution is something called agent skills. Think of them as knowledge packs for your AI.
And here's the wild part. Deep down, they're really just folders. Seriously, that's it.
Because they're just folders, you can use all the tools you already know, like Git or Google Drive. But this super simple design has a huge upside. It protects the agent's most valuable resource.
See, skills are only loaded when they're needed, which keeps the agent's context window, its attention, clear. And this idea has already kicked off a massive growing ecosystem with thousands of skills.
Right now, we're seeing these skills fall into three main buckets out in the wild. First, you've got foundational skills. These give agents core abilities, like professional document editing. Then there are third-party skills built by partners to teach agents how to use their software. And finally, companies are making skills to teach agents their own internal processes and best practices. And what's so important is that it's not just engineers building these, it's everyone. Okay, so what does this all mean for the future? Well, it gives us a clear architecture for AI.
Think of it like a computer. The model is the processor, the runtime is the OS, and skills? They're the apps.
This unlocks that application layer, letting millions of people build useful things on top of AI.
And get this, agents can even learn to build their own skills, creating this amazing improvement loop. So it really just leaves one question. What app are you going to build for your AI?